What's going on, guys? I think you guys all like that intro there of me just fucking eating my microphone, but let's get down dirty here, okay? I have here written my notebooks of video ideas slash shorts, school or work while trading. That's what we're gonna focus on today, okay? Because I know a lot of beginner traders out there have that question of,
oh, should I quit school or continue trading? Or should I quit work and then go into trading?
like, come on, man. I've been doing this for about 2 years now, okay? I haven't made a single dollar yet, but I'm getting there. I'm over that break-even point and I'm finally getting there. So I just want to share my experiences throughout this journey of whether to stay in school and stay in work while trading. Okay. So now what inspired me to do this video is pretty simple. There's a lot of traders out there or a lot of entrepreneurs or gurus out there who are just like, you should quit school. You should drop out of school. You should quit work full time. Get into the entrepreneurial business. You can make millions of dollars if you follow my simple course. I don't know why I did an accent there, but we're just gonna roll with it. But there's a lot of entrepreneurs out there or a lot of fake gurus out there who say you don't need school. You can drop out of school and pursue your your entrepreneurship, which I think is false completely, especially when it comes to the game of trading, because I've done that. I've quit my job, my part-time job, in suit of trading, and it hasn't worked out well, and it won't work out for you. I know what you're thinking. You passed a funded challenge. You just started trading on a funded account and you're ready to quit work. Well, I'm here to tell you that's not what's going to happen. Once you quit work, within the first week, you're going to blow that account. Clip this or mark my words or whatever you want to do. You might be thinking that, but he got two. I have funded account. I have to make it 3%. Trust me. I've said the same thing. I've said I only need to make 3%. I'm going to stop trading. Within the first 2 days, I'm down negative 5%. Okay? God, some people just don't listen. But getting back on track, you shouldn't quit school or you shouldn't quit your work just to pursue something. You can definitely do both. I think whenever I've throughout my entire trading career, I've been in school. Any sort of entrepreneurship that I've pursued, I've been in school. I know I haven't seen, millionaire status success, but like some other traders out there like Ricky Gutierrez, which is a pretty popular day trader with I think 1.1 million subscribers on YouTube. He has his full bachelor's degree or honors degree in I don't even know what program, but he finished school. I know this pro Call of Duty player that I watch. His name's Slasher. He has a bachelor's degree in some sort of engineering program, and he still, plays Call of Duty, and he played Call of Duty professionally. There's a lot of people out there who have their degrees in bachelor's in whatever and are still becoming successful. You don't need to quit school just to become the successful trader. You can definitely do both. I know in trading, once you first begin, you want to commit a lot of your time into trading. Over the course of a year or so, once you've kind of settled into it and know that this is for the long run, you just kind of understand that, hey, you know what? I got to reduce the amount of work I need to do in order to make more. Because in this game, the less work you do, the more you benefit from it. It's true. For example, you don't want to be over trading. You don't want to be revenge trading. And the two preventatives of those are just, limiting yourself to the amount of trades you can take or just walking away. So as a beginner trader, if you're within your first 3 months, whatever I'm saying, you're going to be like, yeah, I'm going to stick to it. I'm going to do whatever this guy said. It's not going to happen. You're going to forget about my video within 2 minutes and you're just going to continue doing whatever you do. It's past that year mark that you kind of understand that, hey, you know what? I got to kind of slow down and, figure out what my strategy is. The first 3 months are going to be very hectic. The other 3 months, the 6 months in, is going to be really just trying to understand the markets. And then once you're 1 year into this, you're going to try to slow it down. And then that's the beauty of it, because after that year, you kind of just figure out, oh, I can work part-time. I can go to school full-time because trading only takes 2 hours of my day. Let's be realistic. If you trade New York or London session within your time zones, you only need to be on the markets or on the charts for 2 hours, from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. And then 11 a.m. to I'd say 1 p.m. is when, a majority of the banks are out for lunch and, a lot of volume has died off. And it's the last hour of the market that picks up some volume, not a lot, just a little bit. But you just kind of understand, okay, I just need to put 2 hours in a day. I have my strategy set. I have my game plan. I have my trading plan down set. I just need to spend 2 hours in the markets and then I'm done for the day. You don't need to, be on the charts 6 hours a day or 4 hours plus a day. At the beginning, it makes sense, because you're learning, you're taking in so much information. As soon as you go down the road and once that information kind of gets processed in within you, you just kind of understand that I just need to spend an hour or two a day. And then you know what? You can go off school. Like currently I'm going to school full time right now. And some days I don't even get to trade, but that's the beauty of it, because now that fixed one of my problems that I was having, was just over trading and revenge trading. Because I have to go to school in the morning, I can only be on the charts for about an hour and a half. I can extend it to 2 hours if I wake up way before New York session, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to stick to what I've been doing and what I found, that kind of helped me. And then just going to school kind of, helped me reduce some of those, problems I was having. I view trading as a machine to kind of help fund your next goals in life. I know some traders want it to be like that, where it's just their career, they're set in stone to just day trading for the rest of their life. But for most people out there, I think you want to use trading as like a vessel to kind of, pursue other goals out there. I'm going to end this video because I did view the last clip and it's around like 8 minutes long. So I don't want to bore you guys even more. To make it short and sweet, or to summarize it, no, you do not need to quit school. You do not need to quit your job to pursue any sort of entrepreneurship. I think you should do it as a side gig, provide enough time for that side gig. And once that side gig kind of takes over your main gig, boom, that's when you make the switch. So I'm just going to end off the video there. If you guys enjoyed the video and the commentary style with the gameplay, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and, subscribe. Comment down below what type of video you want me to make next. And yeah, I'll see you guys all next time. Take care.